My dear brothers and sisters and sons and daughters, please don't forget this story of Pakistan. And don't forget to narrate this story of Pakistan to your next generation so that their bond with Pakistan, it never weakens. Whether it is the third generation or the fourth generation or the fifth generation, they know that what Pakistan is for them. आज तक इंसानियत की तारीख में सिर्फ दो रियासतें हैं जो कलमे की बुनियाद पर बनी हैं। पहली जो थी उसका नाम है रियासत तैयबा, क्योंकि तैयबा जो है वो नबी करीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने उसको नाम दिया था, और जबकि कुरान में उसका नाम है यसरब, या अहले यसरबा ला मुकाम लकुम फरजिउ, ये कुरान में नाम है उसका, जो आज जिसको मदीना अल मुनव्वरा कहा जाता है। और दूसरी रियासत जो है वो उसके 1300 साल के बाद अल्लाह ताला ने ये आपकी बनाई है, कलमे की बुनियाद के ऊपर। आपके मुल्क के सिक्योरिटी के इदारों को, those that who are sacrificing their lives on daily basis for your safety and security and for the well-being and defense of the country, जो उनको belittle करता है, he is actually friend of enemy and he is enemy of Pakistan. Pakistan needs to be a hard state, a country whose all institutions, whose all departments, organizations, divisions, allied departments, they are working as per the law, they are fully operational, and everything has been done as per the constitution, is a hard state. Little bit of the terrorism which is taking place in the country, and the people say, and the people they are mostly propagating, that with this kind of security situation there won't be any investment coming to Pakistan. Well, to them, they must hear me very clearly now. You think terrorists, they can take away the destiny of the country from us? If this great Pakistani nation and the Pakistani armed forces, if 1.3 million Indian army with all their wherewithal, if they cannot intimidate us and they cannot coerce us, these terrorists can subdue the armed forces of Pakistan? ये सोशल मीडिया का मैं कह रहा था। आपका जो है वो मजहब क्लियरली सूरह अहज़ाब जो है जाके खोलें पढ़ लें, उसको उसमें क्लियर लिखा हुआ है। मतलब कुरान से ज्यादा ट्रूथफुल चीज तो हमारे लिए कोई नहीं है ना। या अय्युहल्लज़ीना आमनू इन जाअकुम फासिकुम बिनबइन फतबय्यनु अन तुसीबू कौमम बिजहालतिन फतुस्बिहू अला मा फअलतुम नादिमीन। कि ऐ ईमान वालो, जब तुम्हारे पास कोई फासिक स्टोरी लेकर आता है तो तहकीक करो, ये ना हो कि तुम अपनी जहालत में किसी का नुकसान कर दो और तुम्हें उसके ऊपर नदामत उठानी पड़े। दिस इज योर कुरान। और आपका सोशल मीडिया क्या कहता है? फॉरवर्डेड एज रिसीव्ड। नॉट अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ when will Pakistan rise? It is no more a question. Pakistan has already started rising. The question is, how fast and how quickly can you rise? That is the question. And we will definitely guide this country to occupy its rightful position in the Committee of the Nations. If you come across difficulty, face it. Stand before that difficulty and overcome that difficulty. And chart out your path toward that destiny which Allah Ta'ala has promised you. And we will reach there, inshallah, regardless of all these difficulties. Pakistan, Hamesha Zindabad.